In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Google Meet on a laptop. If you're in a Google Meet call and want to show a presentation, a document, a website, or anything else from your laptop, screen sharing is the tool you'll use. Google Meet makes this fairly simple, and once you know where the controls are, it only takes a few clicks. Start by looking at the toolbar at the bottom of your Google Meet window. In that toolbar, click the Present Now icon. It looks like a square with an upward pointing arrow inside. This is the option that allows you to begin sharing content with everyone in the meeting. As soon as you click it, a pop-up will appear asking what you want to share. Google Meet usually gives you 3 options, and it's important to choose the one that matches what you're trying to show. The first option is a tab. This is best if you only want to share a single Chrome tab. For example, if you're showing a website, an online tool, or a video in your browser. This is often the cleanest choice because viewers will only see that one tab instead of your whole screen. If you plan to share a video, make sure to check the Share tab audio box before you continue. That allows other people in the meeting to hear the sound from the tab as well. The second option is a window. This is best when you want to share one specific application, such as a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document. Using this option helps keep the meeting focused, since other participants will only see that selected app and not anything else open on your desktop. The third option is your entire screen. This shares everything currently visible on your desktop. It can be useful if you need to switch between multiple apps or show something outside a single browser tab or program. Just remember that anything visible on your screen may be seen by others, so it's a good idea to close anything private or distracting first. Once you've chosen the type of sharing you want, click the specific tab, window, or screen you want to show. Then click the Share button to begin presenting. When you're finished, stopping the share is just as easy. Click Stop Presenting at the top right of your screen, or use the You Are Presenting button at the bottom of the Meet window. That will end the screen share and return the focus to the normal meeting view. And that's how to share your screen in Google Meet on a laptop.